Okay, right. Grade 9 English medium ICT class. Right. Hari pute. So let's turn on your cameras pute. Hurry up. All of you should open your videos pute. Quick pute. Hurry up pute. Open your videos, everyone. Right. So Lamai, you are not allowed to turn off your video, right, on the first day, right? At the first moment, I have to tell that, right? හරිද පුතේ දැන් මේක චක්‍රය වගේ සර්ද කියන්න තියන්න එපා, right? So you should open your video during the class, right? And if you are not available to open the video, send me for it and just reason for me, right? Sir, for a reason, may I turn off the video, right? හරිද පුතේ? right, okay. දැන් මොන අපේ ක්ලාස් එකේ පුතේ අද අලුත් මුණුත් තියෙනවා පරණ මුණුත් තියෙනවානේ. There are some newcomers and also the students who were with me in the grade 8 English medium class. Right. Okay පුතේ. එතකොට ළමයි මෙහෙමයි දැන් ඔන්න අලුත් දවසේ මම So I'm using this is English medium class now. But therefore පුතේ I'm using English language for almost all the communication, right? And for my lesson I using this. Understood? And if you are unable to understand some areas, please tell me. Then I will explain the same part in single language as well. Right, Pute? Did you understand what I say you? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. And as well, I wish you a very prosperous, happy new year. Support. Right? All your dreams come true here. Do your works dedicatedly. Right. Next thing. අනිත් එක පුතේ අද චතුමිගේ ප්ලේස් එක වෙනස් වෙලානේ. හොඳයි. ඉතින් ගොඩක් කට්ටිය කාලෙකින් දැක්කේ ළමයි. රෂෙන් ඊයේ මල්ලි ආවා. ඒ වාතාවරණය නැත්තේ. අස්සනේ. පුතේ රස නිසා ආවේ නැද්ද?
සර් ගෙදර කවුරුත් හිටියේ නැහැ. ඒක නිසා.
right right. හොඳයි පුතේ. දැන් ළමයි මම ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඔයගලන්ට කියන්නම් පන්තියේ rules ටික. right. දැන් පුතේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඉඳලා from this year all the rules and regulations are something strict than the past year. Right. You should do your works dedicatedly. Right. For an example පුතේ, and if you are not able to do the class, then do the class, right? When you come on the next day, you should watch the recording and complete your all the notes, do your homeworks and come. Understood? Right? ඇවිල්ලා අහන්න එපා පුතේ පිටු කීයක් තියන්න ඕනේ. තියාවේ නැහැ. I will punish you actually. Understood? ඉතින් ඒ නිසා පුතේ අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ක්ලාස් එකට එන්න බැරි වුණ ඉතින් මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? right? වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න පුතේ, right? වීඩියෝ එක බලලා note එක complete කරගෙන you can join to the class as regularly. Understood? Right? All the videos are uploaded to the LMS. Right? Only today video will be sent in groups. Right? So after the 13th on in this month, right? All the recordings are uploaded to the right. එතකොට පුතේ අලුත් ළමයෙක් වුණත් ඒ වගේම හිටපු ළමයෙක්ට වුණත් කිසිම ගැටලුවක් නැතුව 20යි 23 LMS account එකට ගිහිල්ලා grade 7 recording ටික grade 8 recording ටික ඔක්කොම බලන්න පුළුවන්. Right? You can watch all the grade 8 recordings right, by logging to the 2023 LMS account. Understood? Right. Okay, Bude. That is today's beginning. ළමයි ඒ වගේම තමයි ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඇහුවා මගෙන් කෝල් කරලා ඇහුවා සර් ප්‍රැක්ටිකල්ස් කරන්නේ කොහොමද right පුතේ ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් සෙෂන්ස් වල මම ස්මාර්ට් බෝඩ් එකෙන් ප්‍රැක්ටිකල්ස් කරලා පෙන්නනවා ඒ වගේම තමයි I ask you to do the same practical on your devices with me, right? So you can share your screen, then I will investigate, I will check all of your works are perfectly doing or not. Right, clear පුතේ? හරි මට කියන්න බලන්න පුතේ හැමෝටම සර්වර් ඇහෙනවද? Can you hear? clearly without any interrupts? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. පුතේ මේ ටයිම් එකේ ටැමිල් ක්ලාස් එකක් තියනවද? ළමයි?
No, sir.
No. Right. Okay. හරි. So පුතේ මම මූලික ටික කිව්වා ක්ලාස් එක වෙන විදිහ. right? හරි. දැන් ඔන්න ළමයි තුන්දෙනෙක් කැමරාස් ඔෆ් කරන් ඉන්නේ. නෙතු, ආකාර්ෂා, Adesh and Hasindu. Would you open your cameras? Don't off anyone, right, during the class. That is not ethical thing, right? Okay, Pute. So this is your syllabus. Yes, Pute.
සර් මම ලැප් එකෙන් ජොයින් වෙනකම් පොඩ්ඩක් වීඩියෝ කෝල් කරගන්න.
Right, right, okay. So this is your grade 8, grade 9 English medium syllabus. Now, Lamai, you are in grade 9, no?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Sir, Sadesh has put a message on the chat box.
Yes. Lamai chats message දාද්දී මට විතරක් දාන්න මම එක only for me දාන්නම්. Right. Okay, camera is broken. හරි පුතේ. හොඳයි. So then you can buy a camera පුතේ. The camera is not very much expensive, right? You can go to the shop and spend 1,500 at least. Then buy one. Okay, පුතේ. And if you are unable to buy, just tell me. Then I will for you that. I will buy one for you that. Okay, පුතේ. So when you come next day, you should buy පුතේ. Yeah? Right. Okay, Lamai. So this is your curriculum Pute. The presentation, the preparation of computer specification, that is your first lesson. Then electronic spreadsheets, programming, use of microcontrollers, computer networks, ICT and society. මේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ අපේ syllabus එක. That is our syllabus, right? So we are going to start the first lesson from the first day. Then we will be continuing all the lessons orderly. Lamai, so you have all the monthly tests, right? Monthly tests, and also you have term tests as regularly. Understood? You have both Pute, right? And also the parents meeting is also there, right? After each monthly test, the parents meeting will be held. Clear Pute, right? Parents meeting එකක් තියෙනවා හැම මාසයකම. Understood? Right, okay. මම පොඩි වෙලාවක් දෙන්නම් පුතේ ක්ලාස් එකෙන් පස්සේ අන්තිම විනාඩි 5-10 ඇතුළත අලුත් ළමයිව ඔයගොල්ලන් කොහෙන්ද ආවේ and your village පොඩ්ඩක් introduce කරලා දෙන්න. මොකද අපේ පරණ ළමයි ඔයගොල්ලන් දන්නේ නැති නිසා. right? මම දන්නේ නැතනේ පුතේ. හරි. හොඳයි ළමයි. ඒ වගේම තමයි පුතේ දැන් අපි ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉද්දී මොනවා හරි අහන්න තිබුණොත් right question එකක් අහන්න තිබුණොත් raise hand කරලා පුතේ question එක. And if you have any question, you can ask that from me without any doubt. Raise hand, then ask. Understood? Right? Okay, පුතේ. First lesson එකට අපි යමු ළමයි එහෙනම්. පුතේ මාතෘකාව දාගන්න. Take a new page and put the title. Unit number 1, preparation of computer specification. Preparation of computer specifications. Today, when we are writing the titles, you should use black or blue, black or any color pen, but without blue. Don't use blue to put the titles, right? Use black pen or any kind of color pen to write the titles. Understood? Okay. Lesson number 1, preparation of computer specification. Preparation of computer specification.
Earlier we did this lesson earlier.
Yes, yes. I think in the past year we have done only one lesson, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
yes, but Pute, we will do that again, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. All of you, Pute, don't use the old book. At least 108 pages, 120 pages, single rule book. It may or may be CR. Okay. Preparation of computer specification. අනිත් එක ළමයි ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඇහුවා මේ paper class එකක් කරන්නේ නැද්ද කියලා. පුතේ paper classes will be done after the lesson පුතේ, right? After the syllabus we will be schedule a paper class for you. Tuition class as well. Understood පුතේ? Right? Okay, first of all we have to cover the syllabus පුතේ, right? Okay. හොඳයි. ඒ කට්ටියම cameras open කරන් ඉන්නවා නේද? විහංගී, are you there?
Yes sir, තාම මේ Zoom එක not responding කියලා වැටෙනවා.
Ah, right, right. Okay, පුතේ. So here, look at Pute, preparation of computer specific. So this is Pute, the chapter outcomes, right? So you can have the summary of the chapter Pute, right? Summary of the lessons. You should study about the computers and the peripheral devices under this lesson Pute. So what is computer and what is peripheral devices? We will be discussing that. And the selection of devices for the user requirements and creating computer specification and technical factors to be considered when purchasing a computer. Understood? So after this lesson, Puti, you will be recovered all the things accordingly. Right. Okay, Puti. So there is a beautiful dialogue here, right? You can see Puti, girl and boy, right? It may be the batchmates in a particular class in this school. Right? Class එකේ batchmates ලා වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Right? Okay, the girl says, I need to buy a computer for my school assignment, right? And to do accounts of my father's business, right? So what she tells Pute, she needs to buy a computer. It may be a laptop or it may be a desktop, anything, right? So what is her purpose? Her purpose is to do her kind of assignments given by the teacher in the school. Understood? And also she wants a laptop to do and to help all the accounts of father's occupation, father's job. Understood, Pute? There are two works. There are two tasks. What is the first task? To do assignments. The second task, to do all the accounts, to handle all the accounts of the father's business. Understood, right? Okay. Then the boy replies for that, I need a computer that is mobile. It will help me to show my graphic designs to my teacher. I will help me to study from, so it will help me to study from anywhere, anytime. Right? So the boy wants to buy a kind of devices, a computing devices, right? That should carry whenever he goes. Clear, Pute? Right? That should be carried whenever he goes, right? And also he has to use the computer or any kind of devices for the graphic designing as well. Clear? So take the idea, Pute. So when we are thinking about the lady or the girl wants to buy a computer or laptop only for two tasks, for the assignments and also for the accounts, but පුතේ දැන් ළමයි accounts කරන්න සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපිට movable computer එකක් අවශ්‍යද? movable එකක් ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ computer එකේ එහා මෙහා අරන් යන්න ඕනේ. No. Right? ගෙදර ඉඳන් පුළුවන් පුතේ අපිට නේද? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ගෙදර ඉඳගෙන අපිට හැමදේම කරන්න පුළුවන්. නේද ළමයි? Stay in the home and do accounts and do assignments. No problem. Right? But Pute, when we are considering about the boy needs a laptop for a mobile. What is mobile? Mobile means able to carry wherever he goes. Able to carry. දැන් ළමයි desktop එකක් අපිට උස්සන් යන්න පුළුවන් තැන් තැන් වල. Can you carry a desktop?
No, we can't.
No පුතේ, we can't. එහෙම උස්සන් යන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඉතින් ඔක්කොම ගලවලා ඩොට්ට පට් වගේ ඔක්කොම උස්සන් යන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. ඒක
Yeah,
ඇත්තටම
sir, it's very hard.
It is very hard. And also the extra power has to be supplied as well, ne, Pute? But when we are talking about the laptops and the tablet, smartphones, right? No power has to be given separately. We can charge those devices. Clear, Pute? Right? But when we are talking about the desktop computers, the extra power has to be supplied to switch on the machine, right? And also desktop computers are so heavy and not manageable. It requires a lot, a good, convenient place to keep the computer. But substitute that when we are using the mobile computer, it make us very easy, and we can do lot of works and lot of complex works, right, in quick manner and in manageable manner, right, Pute? Did you understand the differentiate that? Okay, so here we have another dialogue, a part of that. Who can read this, Pute? Who can read this? I will give you chance to read a new child. Tinara is there, neither. Tinara, yes, Tinara, you can read the dialogue of the girls only.
Are there any computers to suit the requirements of both of us?
Okay, so she asked, are there any computer to suit the requirements of both of us? What is requirements, Pute? The needs. The needs. Understood? Right? එතකොට මෙයා අහනවා මොකක්ද? අපේ needs වලට suitable වෙන computers තියෙනවද? Are there any? Right? That suit to our needs. Are you clear? So then, what she responds? What he responds? Okay, wait. Diana, read this.
Yes, many types are available. We can either buy a computer or we can get a computer assembled to suit our requirements. Let's go in and take a look around.
Take a look around. Right. Okay, Pute. You can see there is a computer shop behind the picture. Okay. So then he responds us to Miss or to the girl. Yes, we have so many laptops and so many computers, so many devices. Then we can go to the shop and take a look around. Then we will buy a more suitable device according to our requirements. Understood, Pute? Think like that. And if you are a gamer, if you are a game player, you should buy a computer only created for gaming. Understood? Can you play a game using the educational computer? Can you play games using the basic computers?
No, we
No,
can't.
you could not play that actually, right? For a gaming computer, Pute, for a gaming computer, your requirement should be very, very much expensive, right? For an example, Pute, if you need to play games, your memory should be high. You have to have a very super processing CPU. Understood? And the VGA card should be also applied to the machine. right? Whenever තව cooling fans ගොඩක් add කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ නිසා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් gaming computers so much expensive. Understood? But Pute, when we are using the kind of computers for educational purpose, Oshita, I think you have a computer. Am I? You have a computer, right?
Yes.
So Pute, usually, why do you use the computer?
For education.
For education only. Are you playing games?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. For the games and also for the educational purpose. Right? Right. Okay, Puti, very good. Then Lamai, Oshita has to buy a mid-range device because of the device should be performed in gaming and also in educational purposes. Right, Puti? Are you clear, everyone? Right. The software engineer buys a computer only for developing the software. Clear? The network engineer buys a computer to make networks, to manage networks, to manipulate networks, right? And graphic designer buys a computer to do graphics, to make some kind of beautiful pictures, to design some class posters, invitations, advertisement cards. Are you clear, children, what I say you? Right? When you are going to buy a laptop or a computer or any kind of devices, the device should suit for your requirements, and for your need. Right? Then Puti apita දැන් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හැන්තියෙන් කන එක ගෑරප්පුවෙන් කනවද? අහලාමයි මම දන්නේ යාළුවෙක් හිටියා යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ. එයා බත් කන්නේ ගෑරප්පුවෙන්. මම දන්නේ මොලේ හොඳ නැද්ද කියලා මිනිස්සෙක්. right ගෑරප්පුවෙන් තමයි බත් කන්නේ පුතේ. මෙහෙම බත් හැලෙනවා. ඒත් ගෑරප්පුවෙන් කන. right will it be okay? No, it never. Understood? You have to use a spoon or your hand to eat rice. Likewise. Right? අපිට කැත්තෙන් බත් උයන්න පුළුවන්ද? බැහැ. So use the suitable equipment for the suitable task. We have to use suitable equipment for the suitable task. So the same case when we are purchasing a laptop or a computer, first you have to consider about your task and your budget, then you can buy. Are you clear? Right? දැන් පුතේ අපිට එහාට මෙහාට අරන් යන්න අවශ්‍ය නැත්නම් අපිට ලැප්ටොප් එකක් ඕනේද? නෑනේ. නේද අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයගොල්ලන් ඩෙස්ක්ටොප් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරනවා නම් පුතේ ගොඩක් හොඳයි වැඩවලට. හැබැයි ඩෙස්ක්ටොප් එක අපිට එහාට මෙහාට අරන් යන්න පුළුවන්ද? You can't carry that. You can't carry that. Right? ඉතින් ඒ නිසා ඩෙස්ක්ටොප් එක ඕපන් කරන්න ගෙදරම යන්න වෙනවානේ. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලන් ඔන්ලයින් බිස්නස් කරනවා නම් පුතේ අපිට ගෙදර එනකන් ඉන්න පුළුවන්ද? බැහැ. ඒ නිසා චූලි ලැප්ටොප් එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. අපේ වැඩ අපි කොතන හිටියත් කරගන්න. හරිද ළමයි? Are you clear with that? So that is a differentiate, right? So when you are purchasing any devices, you should consider about your need, right? Okay. So Pute, let's write the subtitle in different color pen, identifying the user. Hurry up, Pute. Write a subtitle in different color pen, identifying the user. Identifying the user. Who is the user? Hurry up, Pute. All of you should write Pute. Pute, you can talk with the other members of your family after the class, Pute, right? Don't do that so far. You have to be with me during the class. I'm investigating you. That's why I'm always asking to turn on your videos. You think now okay?
No, sir. මම restart කරා.
Hurry, Pute. We will see what happens.
Sir, තියෙනවා sir updates are underway. Please keep your computer on.
Right,
Can
right.
update another?
Right, yes, Pute. Update කරනවා. දැන් මගෙත් Pute update එකක් හැවිත් තියෙන්නේ. මම තාම දැම්මේ නැහැ. Class එකෙන් පස්සේ update කරන්න.
Okay, sir.
Okay. විහංගි පුතේ එනවා කිව්වා සිංහල මීඩියම් ක්ලාස් එකට. විහංගි නෙමෙයි කවුද අපේ මෙතුකි.
මොකද්ද sir?
මෙතුකි පුතේ සිංහල මීඩියම් ක්ලාස් එකකට ජොයින් වෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
එයා ආයේ මේකට එන්නේ නැද්ද?
අර පුතේ මේ ටයිම් එකට වෙන ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා. මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා එයා සිංහල මීඩියම් වලට එන්නම් කිව්වා පුතේ.
එයාලා ඉස්කෝලේ කොහොමද
ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ-
සිංහල medium නේ තියෙන්නේ?
Yes, like that.
sir කාංචනක් ඉන්නවද?
පුතේ
කාංචනක් හිටියද?
කාංචනක හිටියා. Right, okay. Identifying the user. තමයි මේ පන්ති ඉන්නවා කාංචනකට පිස්තරිච්ච ගෑනු ළමෙක්. right හරි හොඳයි. හරි ළමයි බලන්න පුතේ. right who is the user? කාටද user කියන්නේ පුතේ? yes විශාකි can you tell me who is the user? Who is the computer user?
What sir?
Who is the computer user?
user කියන්නේ
Us.
computer use කරන කෙනානේ.
Yes, the person who is using the computer. Understood? The computer user is the person who is using the computer. We can also call that liveware. Liveware කියන්නේ පුතේ same thing for the computer user. Understood? The liveware is also known as the computer user. The liveware. We have software, hardware, and liveware. So all the people who are using the computer are known as the computer users. Clear? Right. පුතේ අපි ඒකට සිංහලෙන් මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? පුතේ. Yes, අපි සිංහලෙන් පුතේ මොකද්ද කියන්නේ computer user ට? කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන්? Who knows that? Who knows that? We say
පරිශීලකයා.
very good. පරිශීලකයා කියලා අපි කියනවා. හරිද ළමයි? ළමයි what is your mother tongue පුතේ? What is your mother tongue?
සිංහල.
සිංහල. එහෙනම් සිංහල
සිංහල.
චුට්ටක් දැනගෙන තියාගන්න. නැත්නම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ලැජ්ජයිනේ? ලංකාවේ විතර සිංහලවත් දන්නේ නැහැ කියයි. හරි? ඒ නිසා පුතේ සිංහල පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගෙන තියාගන්න ඕනේ ආ. right පොෂ් වෙන්න ගිහලා සිංහල අමතක කරන්න එපා. right okay. හරි හොඳයි ළමයි. So පුතේ we say the user. User is the person who is using the computer. You can see පුතේ මේ බලන්න පුතේ. Right? The one who uses a computer is generally referred to as user. The different users work in different areas in information communication technologies. Right? Have different designations. Right? Okay, පුතේ. දැන් එතකොට ළමයි user use කරන purpose එකක් තියෙනවා. That is a person, right? The person should use the computer for a purpose. බලන්න පුතේ මෙන්න ඉන්නවා ළමයි users ලාගේ නම් ටිකක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. Who is the first one? The programmer. Programmer use the computer to develop computer programs. Right පුතේ? Only the programmer use the computer to develop the computer programs. And the network administrator uses the computer to manage and maintains the computer networks. Okay, and system analysis design the system, and software engineers develop the softwares using the computer, and computer application assistant use office application packages for that, and web developers use the machines for maintain and develop websites. Are you clear or not clear? Everyone?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Right. My pleasure, Pute. Great. Hari. Pute, write a little sentence under that, Pute, a paragraph actually. Use your blue pen color. Blue color can use kind of. Yeah, gamu. Computer user is generally referred. Computer user is generally referred
සර් අප්ඩේට් එක වෙන කොච්චර වෙලා යයිද?
apa teh?
අප්ඩේට් එක වෙන කොච්චර වෙලා යයිද?
It depends on your computer's performances, Pute. I can't take that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Referred to as a user. Referred to as a user. Referred to as a user. Lamai, keep your cameras turned on, Pute. Right. According to the user's requirement, according to the user's requirement, they have to buy
අපිට බර්ත්ඩේ කේක් දුන්නේ නෑනේ.
birthday cake දුන්නේ නැද්ද? ඔව්නේ.
නෑ අපිට
Right.
දුන්නේ නෑ.
හරි පුතේ. මම පස්සේ දෙන්න පුතේ මෙහි ආවම. Right? Buy
හා.
suitable devices. Buy suitable devices. Right. Okay, Pute. So then, all of you Pute draw a table consisting 2 columns. Pute. Hurry up. This one Pute. All of you draw this Pute. Right? In your textbook, in the page number 2, you have this table Pute. Hurry up Pute, draw this down quickly. only this table. Table 1.1. Hurry up, Pute. Right? Programmer develop programs. Likewise. So, Pute, user's occupation or the job will be depend on the task he is doing. Hey, Pute. යූසර්ගේ ඔකුපේෂන් එක අනුව ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ එයා කරන රැකියාව අනුව එයාගේ ටාස්ක් එක වෙනස් වෙනවා නේ පුතේ. හරි? හරියට පුතේ.
Yes.
Yadav, Pute, can you take the screenshot from the participle list, Pute?
Okay, sir.
Right, okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
අර අක්ක නැද්ද සර්?
Pute?
අර අක්ක නැද්ද?
අක්කා අද ආවේ නැහැ. එයා පුතේ එනවා කියන්නේ එයා ගෙදර ඉඳන් කරන්නම්කෝ පුතේ. දවස් ටික. Right. හරිද පුතේ? හරියට ළමයි. Username and task. Username and task. Lamai, all of you Pute, you should keep your cameras turned on. Don't let me know again Pute. Hurry. Right?
Okay sir.
Good, very good. Lamai, have you finished all?
No, sir.
No, right, Pute. Keep hurry up. Right, don't be lazy. And you're grade 9, Pute. Or grade 8 or grade 7, right? Now big boys and big girls. You will be facing for your O-level examination in 2 years, Pute. Keep in mind that. Hurry up, Pute. Right, okay. Time is over. Hi, Pute. Selection of a computer to suit user requirements. Selection of a computer to suit user requirement. So, Pute, first look at here. User requirements relate to tasks that are carried out by using a computer. Right, Pute? You know, as students and as the people, we can do so many things, right, using the modern day computers. right? So Pute, usually we use computer to achieve day-to-day tasks more efficiently, more accurately, 100% accurately as well, without a lot of information. So look at here. You often use the machines to access the internet, to search something, to search some kind of photos and materials from the internet. Right, Pute? Your teacher may ask you to bring printouts of a pictures of some person. So then you have to use the internet to download some images to paste on your book. Right? Understood? And if you need to follow a class recording in YouTube, you have to use the internet with the machine. Hey, Pute. And if you need to watch some cartoons, you are using the internet, right? And to watch some films, right? To play some online games, right? To chat with your friends, you are using the internet. So, Pute, we know without the internet, you can't join with Zoom classes as well. Hey, Pute, right? So, that is the major use of the computer. Now, all the computers are using the internet by the people, right? And we use the computer for edit and audio videos. For editing the audio videos, we are using the computers and machines, right, Pute? And as I told you, for graphic designing, right, for prepare the documentations, I think all of you are using the Word, Pute, Word application. I will use Word application for all kind of documentational purpose, for the all kind of documentational purpose, right, to write letters, to write kind of essays, right, to create newspapers, to create greeting cards, you are using Microsoft Word documentation application. Am I Pute? Especially you are using that. And you are using PDF viewers, PowerPoint presentation, right? And you are using the Excel and kind of educational applications as well. Right, Pute? So, those are some examples of the user's requirement. Right? And if you are a gamer, you are using the computer to play games. Right? And if you are a graphic designer, as I told you previously, you are using the computers or any other kind of equipments for graphic designing, for making some beautiful pictures in computing materials. Understood, children? Right? The same thing. Right. Okay, Pute. හැමෝම පුතේ මෙන්න මේක අඳගන්න ඕනේ. ඊට කලින් පුතේ මාතෘකාව ලියා ගන්න. Write the title. Selection of computer to suit the user's requirements, පුතේ. In different color ළමයි. Write this title in different color. Selection of a computer to suit user's requirements. Selection of a computer to suit user's requirements. Try to use to suit user's requirement. Right? Okay, Pute. Write a paragraph in blue color pen. According to the ACCORDING, Pute. According to the users wants, WANTS. According to the users wants, the computers should be bought. The computers should be bought. Should be bought. BAUGHT. Should be bought. Okay. Following another. Keep the full stop and write at the same point. Following another. Tasks TASKS, following other tasks that could be following other tasks that could be done using the computer, following other tasks that could be done using the computer. Right, Pute? Okay, right, Pute. Then you can draw this, Pute, hurry up. All of you draw this, Pute. Diagrammatical way. Right, write some circles, draw some circles. Inside the circle, you can write the tasks. Right, in the
Sir,
middle, Pute.
computer එකක් අඳින්නවද?
Yes, in the middle, you can write. Don't draw the computers, Pute. You can write a desktop computer here. Don't draw that. You can write desktop computer, and then you can draw some circles around that and write the tasks accordingly. Hurry up with it. So all of you should open your camera. Hurry up, all. Right? පුතේ හැමෝම පන්තිරේ පුතේ දිගටම ඉන්න කවුරුත් අතර වෙන්න එපා පුතේ මගදී. So should come to the class continues, right? පුතේ මට සද්දේශ් විතරයි කිව්ව කැමරා කැඩලා තියෙනවා කියලා. අනිත් කට්ටියම කැමරාස් ඕපන් කරගන්න. සදේශන් පසින්දු ඕකේ. පසින්දු means අපේ විහංගිය ඕකේ. අනිත් කට්ටිය කවුද සෙනුජ, ජෙහෙල් and බුවින්දු. Open your cameras පුතේ. සෙනුජ, ජෙහෙල් and බුවින්දු. Right? cameras open කරන්න අමාරු නම් පුතේ. present එක දාන්න. Okay, ළමයි, have you finished your work? ගායනා කෙලින් වෙන්න. කෙලින් තින්නේ? එහෙනම් හරි.
ඇසම ටැබලේටවල් ලියන හින්දා.
right. හරි හොඳයි. Right, ළමයි, okay.
Fees, sir.
Very good. හරි පුතේ. බලන්න පුතේ. Right, next. Right, next you can see පුතේ. Right. When we can categorize computers into two types mainly. We can categorize computers into two types mainly. The first type is Pute, non-portable computers. This is also known as Pute. Is also known as unportable. No, portable means Pute. Portable means you can move. Unportable means you can't move. That is can't move. Can't move or can't carry. You can't carry. Like server computers, workstation, desktop computers, and all-in-one computers. Those are known as the non-portable computers. The reason is you are not able to carry them wherever you go. I understood, Pute. So what is all-in-one computers, Pute? Now, all of you look at here carefully, right? Then you can write, Pute. All-in-one computers. All-in-one computers means, Pute, right? All the parts of the computer are fixed to a single screen. All the parts of the computer, the desktop, the web camera, the keyboard, the mouse, the touch screen, when every parts of the computers are fixed to a single screen, that is called all-in-one computer. So look at this smart board. This smart board is also an all-in-one computer. Right, Pute? Look at here, Pute. The man Pute me smart board dekhe apita Windows තියෙනවා Pute. Can you see? The Windows is there. You can touch the smart board. You can type on the smart board. You can watch videos. You can watch images. Right? You can join with any LMS or Google. The internet is also there. Right, Pute? So that is what? All-in-one computer. Right? All the parts are fixed to a single screen. Right? Okay. I will show you some pictures, Pute. So look at my Google Chrome. I will show you all-in-one computer. All-in-one computers. Right, Pute? Then you will be having some pictures of it in images. I will show you them. Can you see, Pute? The all-in-one computers. Okay, I will show you this part. Look at this, Pute. In the Mac computers, right? In the Mac computers, you can see, Pute, especially there is no any dedicated system unit. All the system unit parts, are embedded to a single screen, Pute. Can you see? Right? Only the keyboard and mouse are plugged. Only the keyboard and mouse are plugged. Any other equipment such as UPS and CPU, RAM, ROM, hard disk cards, right, SSD cards, all are embedded within this computer, within this screen, right? Only the keyboard and mouse are plugged to that. Are you clear that? Right, Pute? Yes. All-in-one computer means all the parts are embedded to a single screen computer. That's all. All the parts are embedded to a single screen computer. So what is server computer? What is server computer? The server computer means, Pute, very large computer like a room. Right? Understood? Server computers are very large computers like a room. Okay, I will show you server computers as well. Look at here, Pute. Server computers. When you type server computers on the Google Chrome, you will be having a lot of beautiful pictures about that. Server computers. Okay, also known as super server computer. Also known as super server computer. Right. You can see, Pute, this is one of the most famous server computer. One of the most famous server computer. Can you see, Pute? All of you can see? Yes. Right? Look at here. There are many big computers arranged in sequential order within the room. Right? You never move that. You never move that. Those machines are so heavy and also very much expensive. Even Sri Lankan government won't be afford that. won't be able to buy that. ලංකාවටත් තාම නැහැ පුතේ. ඇයි ඒ? රෙකෝඩි ගණන් ගණන් මේවා. Very much expensive. Very much expensive. Right? The Sri Lankan government wouldn't be able to buy that. Understood? So all the supercomputers are available in the NASA Corporation. Right? The NASA Corporation, there are, I think, 2 or 3 supercomputers installed there. Are you clear? Right? So especially supercomputers are using for calculations, for disaster kind of warning, disaster warning, to monitoring the tsunami adventures, right? To find out the GPS values, like that. Understood? Right? So පුතේ එතකොට satellite හරහා වෙන දේවල්, ඒ වගේම space එකේ තියෙන ධූමකේතු වල වෙන දේවල් මේ ඔක්කොම filter කරන්නේ, ඔක්කොම calculate කරන්නේ මේ වගේ ලොකු server computers වලින්. Right? Okay. I think you may hear DNS server computer. Alamai, have you heard DNS server computer? DNS server computer. කවුරුත් අහලා නැද්ද? Oh, anyone? ඔයගොල්ලන් Google පාවිච්චි කරනව නේද ළමයි? Are you using Google, everyone? Yes, I think you may have Google account. That means Gmail account. I think so. I guess. Right? Or you may be using the Facebook, social media, WhatsApp. Right? You may use them. So especially when we are using the Facebook account, all of your photos and all of your passwords, all of your videos definitely will be stored on these hard disks, on these server computers. Right? Your passwords are stored in the server computers. Right? Your images you upload to the Facebook are stored in the server computers. Right, පුතේ? Sir කියන එක පැහැදිලිද හැමෝට? ඔබට ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ළමයි Google එකට අප්ලෝඩ් කරන හැම දෙයක්ම සේව් වෙන්නේ කොහෙද? Google ළඟ තියෙනවා පුතේ වෙනම DNS server room එකක්. මේ වගේ ළමයි ලොකු room තියෙනවා. තේරුණාද? ලොකු halls. ඒ halls වල පුතේ ඇත්තටම තියෙන්නේ hard disk. I think, do you know what is hard disk? නේ පුතේ? hard disk කියන්නේ storage device එකක්. ඒ hard disk එකේ තමයි ඕගොල්ලන් කරන අප්ලෝඩ් කරන හැම දෙයක්ම ස්ටෝර් වෙන්නේ. ළමයි මේ සර්වර් කම්පියුටර් එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ මොනවද පුතේ? මේ සර්වර් කම්පියුටර් එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ මොනවද ළමයි? hard disks. මතක තියාගන්න. Can you see? Right, I will show you some more. මේ තියෙන පුතේ මේ those are hard disks පුතේ. A very high storage capacity hard disk. So then all the people who are using the Facebook and the images they upload, passwords they upload will be automatically saved on those hard disk drives. Understood? Right? ඔයගොල්ලන් upload කරන photos හැම දෙයක්ම පුතේ මේකේ save වෙලා තියෙනවා. මේකට බෝම්බයක් ගහපු ගමන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේක blast වුණොත් Facebook උත් කරයි. පැහැදිලිද? Google ආයතනයේ බෝම්බයක් ගැහුවොතින් ඔයගොල්ලන් දාන සෙල්ලම් සේරම ඉවරයි. right? ආයේ class ඇවිල්ලත් ඉවරයි. ඇයි ඒ? Zoom එක නැහැනේ. Zoom එක තියන්නේත් පුතේ මේකේ. Zoom application එක තියෙන්නේත් මේ server එක ඇතුලේ. Right? Are you clear that? Everyone. That is what we known as server computer. The computer which gives service for you. The computer which gives service for you. Right? Very big computers usually that is full of
Sir.
a hole. Yes, Pute, you can ask.
Sir, server computers repair කරද්දී off කරනවද?
Pute?
Sir, server computers repair කරද්දී off කරනවද? නැත්නම් on එකෙන් තියෙන repair?
Yes, Pute. Repair කරද්දී සාමාන්‍ය repair කරනවා හරි අඩුයි. ඩක් සුපර් ඒවා. but දැන් ලංකාවේ servers repair කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට පුතේ ඒගොල්ලන් burn කරනවා. දවස් 2-3කට Facebook ban කරනවා කියලා. Facebook නවත්තනවා. හරිද ළමයි? එතකොට ඒ ටයිම් එකේ තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ පැහැදිලිද හැමෝටම? Right? Okay. So when it is repairing, all the activities given by the Google postpone will be interrupt. Okay. Right. Hari puthe. That is what a server computer. Right. On that. Now you know what is server computer and what is all in one computer. Right puthe. අනිත් එක මොකද පුතේ මෙන්න මේක palm top. තමයි you know what is laptop. Laptop කියන්නේ මොකද පුතේ? The computer using by keeping on your lap. නේද? අපි laptop කියන්නේ පුතේ computer එක අපි lap එකේ තියෙන පාවිච්චි කරන හින්දා. So what is the lap? උකුලනේ පුතේ. අපි උකුල කියන්නේ lap එකනේ. ඔඩොක්කුව කියලා කියන්නේ. නේද? එතකොට laptop කියන්න හේතුව තමයි laptop එක use කරන්න පුතේ කොතන තියාගෙනද? ඔඩොක්කුව උඩ තියාගෙන. clear ද හැමෝටම? That is what we say laptop. ඒ වගේම ඔයගොල්ලන් අහලා ඇති palm top කියලා එකකුත් තියෙනවා. හද ළමයි? all of you tell what?
palm top,
එන පුතේ හැමෝම කියන්නේ.
palm top.
palm
palm
top.
top,
palm top. palm top කියන්නේ පුතේ අත්ල. මේ palm කියන්නේ පුතේ අපේ මොකටද? මේ අත්ලටනේ. එතකොට අත උඩ තියාගෙන පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් පොඩි computers වලට palm top කියලා. The computers you could use the keeping on your palm. Computers you could use the keeping on your palm. That is palm top. The computers you can use keeping on your desk. What is that? Desk එක උඩ තියාගෙන පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් computers මොනවද?
Desktop.
Desktop. Right පුතේ? So if we are using the computers on the desk, that is desktop. Laptop එකේ use කරනවා නම් ඒක laptop වෙනවා. palm එකේ use කරනවා නම් ඒක palm top වෙනවා. Right. I will show you the palm top. මෙතන palm top කිහිපයක් වෙන්නේ තමයි right. Give me a second. Right. Those are known as Pute palm top computers. Can you see Pute? Right? The computers you can use by holding on your palm. Right? Palm එක උඩ තියාගෙන පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ computer. අපි ඒකයි palm top කියන්නේ. Right? Like the calculators Pute. Right? Calculators are also known as the palm top. The small computers Pute. Can you see this picture? Right? And the small computer you can use by keeping on your palm. Palm top. Right? In the palm top today, there is a pen as well. The pen is a light pen here. Pen is also known as a light pen. Then you have the keyboard. Then you have the Windows computer. Okay. Right. So what පුතේ ඔය palm top එකට ඒ වගේම laptops වලට phones වලට tablets වලට අපි කියනවා microphones කියලා, right? Microcomputers. We say that microcomputers, body computers පුතේ. How would you know them? Server computers, desktop computers, all in one computers. Right. So Pute, Anna, those are operated using the main electricity power supply. Those are operated using the main electricity power supply. දැන් අපි කතා බහ කරපු පුතේ මේ සුපර් කම්පියුටර්ස්, all in one computers ඔය ඔක්කොම වැඩ කරන්නේ මොනවත් එක්කද පුතේ? main electricity power supply එකට. අපි පිටතින් electricity එක දෙන්න ඕනේ ඒවට වැඩ කරන්න. You should supply the electricity for them to the task of you. Right? Okay. Therefore, they are installed and used in places like house, schools, and offices. Right? So, Pute, due to the power supply, so you should be the power supply, no? Therefore, you can't move that. The computer should be fixed. It may be in a school, it may be in a home, or in the hospital, anywhere. But thing is, you can't move that. Right, Pute? Are you clear or not clear? Yes, Raman? All of you clear, Pute? හරිද?
clear sir.
Yes, okay. Right. හරි පුතේ. එහෙමනම් පුතේ මාතෘකාවන් ලියා ගන්න. ටයිටල් එක. Non-portable computers කියලා. In black or any kind of color pen, right? Non-portable computers. Non-portable computers. Non-portable computers. Right. Okay, Pute. Write a paragraph underneath that. Blue color pen. Right. Server computers. Server computers. විහල්ගේ now okay පුතේ. දැන් හරිද?
නෑ සර්. අක්කට ෆෝන් එකක් ඉල්ලනවා සර් මම දැන් බැලුවේ කොහොමද දැන් ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉන්නේ කියලා.
then පුතේ server computers. Let's come up. Workstation. Workstations. Comma. Desktop computers. Workstation. Desktop computers. Desktop computers. And all-in-one computers. And all-in-one computer. All-in-one computer. Are all operated are all operated using main electricity power supply. Using main electricity power supply. Main electricity power supply. ප්‍රධාන electricity power supply එකක් අවශ්‍යයි. Main electricity power supply. Therefore, we are not able to move or carry. We are not able to move or carry those computers. Move or carry those computers wherever we go. Move or carry those computers wherever ego. Full stop. Full stop. Those are suitable. Those are suitable. Those are suitable to install at a fixed place. At a fixed place. At a fixed place. Such as home, comma, in school, in school, or in office, in office, in office, or in office. Okay, right. Those are with a non-portable computer. Right. Now we will be looking for the computers for mobile use. Computers for mobile use. Today, this is also known as the portable computers. This is also known as the portable computer. Right? Portable computer. Right, Pute. All of you write this, Pute, in different color pen. Next title, next subtitle, computers for mobile use. Within the bracket, you can write portable computers. Another name for that, Pute. Right? Portable computer is another name for mobile usage. Hurry up, Pute. Right. හොඳයි පුතේ. බාන පුතේ. So, who can read this පුතේ? මේ කාටද කියවන්න පුළුවන්? මම chance එකක් දෙන්නම්
I
අලුත්
can.
ළමයිට. අලුත් ළමයිට. කියවන්න හැමදේම පුතේ. නේද? හරි. කාටද කියවන්න දෙන්නේ? අපේ ඉන්නවා සුභාති නේද? සුභාති පුතේ, you can read that. Yes. Laptops. කියන්න පුතේ.
Laptops, notebooks, table computers, and a smartphone can be considered for mobile use. They operate with rechargeable batteries. Therefore, they can be used when traveling in buses, trains, aeroplanes, or any convenient place.
Yes, from any convenience. Laptops, notebooks, computers, smartphones can be considered for mobile use. Simple manner, you can carry every mobile devices, right? Or at a convenient place in Spute, right? Just think like that. You should join with the Zoom class during you are arriving in the train, right? Train එකේ යද්දි එකපාරටම Zoom class එකක් එක join වෙන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා, right? That could be වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ නේද නම. එතකොට අපිට දැන් desktop එකක් තිබුණොත් වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? No, right? We should have a laptop or tablet or any kind of movable computing equipments. But today, those portable devices are somewhat expensive than the desktop computers, right? When we are comparing with the desktop computers only, right? I'm not thinking about the supercomputers. But when you do compare desktop computers and the more portable devices, actually the portable devices are so much expensive, right? You know, the laptops are so much expensive, the සාමාන්‍ය ලැප්ටොප් එකක් ගන්න බෑ ලක්ෂ දෙකක්වත් නැතුව. Very expensive there. Understood? So according to the generation, I think in 2030, all the laptops will be very, very, very expensive. Right? Understood, Pute? So then, බලන්න පුතේ මේ බස් එකේදී turn වෙන්න පුළුවන්, use කරන්න පුළුවන්. train එකේදී use කරන්න පුළුවන්. වගේම aeroplane. ඒ කියන්නේ උඩ යද්දි නේද? Skype in call එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් මම උඩ ඉන්නේ කියලා නේද? Anything, right? You can use your computers, right? Okay, පුතේ. So any convenient place. කැමති තැනක තමන්ට කැමති විදිහකට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. right? හරි. ළමයි දන්නවනේ පුතේ aeroplane එකේදී phones පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ කියලා. Yes, the phone should be switched off or keep silence. ඉතින් ඒ නිසා laptops use කරන්න බෑ aeroplane එකේ යද්දී. Anywhere you can use that, right? Pilot ගේ confirmation එක තිබුණොත් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? Right. හරි පුතේ ලියාගන්න මේක. ළමයි මේ tablet කියන්නේ බොන ඒවා නෙමෙයි යා. tablet computers කියන්නේ. Okay? හරි පුතේ ලියාගමු. ඡේදයක් විදිහට and use the blue color pen පුතේ. Then paragraph. Notebooks, comma, notebooks, comma, tablet computers, tablet computers, and smartphones can be considered as portable devices. We can use them at any convenient place. We can use them at any convenient place. At any convenient place. පුතේ අපිට කැමති තැනක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. කැමති පහසු තැන. At any convenient place. Such as when traveling in buses, comma, trains, aeroplanes, buses, train, aeroplane. Then keep full stop. Okay, right. You can see Puthe, the types of computers are there, right? And this is the server computer and the desktop computer, all in one computer. Puthe, all in one computer, as I told Puthe, this system unit is also embedded in the same computer. Can you see Puthe? You can only plug the monitor, the keyboard and mouse only. And this is your laptop and this is notebook. The notebook is actually, it looks like a laptop, but not as large as a laptop. It is something smaller laptop than the smaller device than the laptop. Right? හරිද? laptop එක වගේම පුතේ notebook එක ලොකු නැහැ. Right? මේ laptop එකේ ගොඩාක් චුට්ටක් පොඩි එකක් තමයි notebook කියලා කියන්නේ අපි. So මම දැන් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ පුතේ notebook එක. හරිද? Okay, so notebook is not bigger than the laptops, but that is something smaller than the laptop. And this is tablet computers today, and the smartphones. Workstation is today the computers with a lot of performances, lot of memory devices, a lot of increased storage devices. Workstation කියන ගොඩාක් perform කරන්න පුළුවන් computers වලට. ලොකු memory එකක් තියෙන, ලොකු storage එකක් තියෙන, right? ගොඩාක් වේගවත් process එකක් තියෙන computers වලට කියන්නේ workstation. Are you clear, everyone? Right, those are the types of computers. Types of computers. Okay, Pute, quickly write down a simple topic subtitle: different types of computers. Different types of computers. Hurry up, Pute. Different types of computer title, right? Different types of computers. Right. හරි පුතේ. බලන්න පුතේ. ඊට පස්සේ පුතේ ලියාගන්න මේ ටික ඉක්මනට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පොතේ. මේක අදින්න ඕනේ නැහැ පුතේ. 1 2 3 4 කියලා ලියාගන්න server computer all in one laptop notebook tablet smartphone workstation. හරි පුතේ. Don't draw this. You can just write only the device's name. Number 1 desktop computer. Number 2 all in one computer. හරි පුතේ. Okay. Right, Pute. You are there?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Very good. We'll move on today. Right. Now all of you write a big title: computer peripheral devices. Computer peripheral devices. Computer peripheral devices. Peripheral. E R I P H E R A L. Computer peripheral devices. Okay. Right. So, Pute, listen carefully. Peripheral devices are all the external devices connected with the computer. In simple manner, all the external devices connected to the computer are known as peripheral devices. So, Pute, you can see the sentences there. Input devices are used to fit data and instruction to the computer. Storage devices are used to store data into the computer. Output devices are used to provide information processed from the computer. Accordingly, all input devices, all storage devices, all output devices are known as peripheral devices, which means all the devices used from outside of the computer. Are you clear? So simple, Pute. Computer එකට පිටතින් සම්බන්ධ කරන සියලුම devices වලට කියන්නේ peripheral devices කියලා. Right? Peripheral device. So you have a picture underneath that puthe, right? In figure 1.3, in figure 1.3, page number 5, you have this picture, right? Look at here, puthe. This is your desktop computer. In the desktop computer, in the system unit, you can see the several input, output, and storage devices are attached with the system unit. Can you see, Pute? Right? And those are known as the peripheral device. Like the monitor, CD. Pute මේ optical disc කියන්නේ පුතේ CD කියන එකට. දැන් ළමයි මේ optical discs ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. There are පුතේ different types of optical discs. We can have CD, we can have DVD, right? And DVD RW, right? And we have Blu-ray, right? Like as today, there are so many optical discs, right? And we have monitors. So everything and every information can be seen by using the monitor. හරිද පුතේ? දැන් සිස්ටම් එකේ වෙන හැමදේම අපිට පේන්නේ මොකෙන්ද? මොනිටර් එකෙන්. මේකද කියනවා පුතේ සමහර අය මෙහෙම. තවත් නමක් කියනවා පුතේ මේකද VDU කියලා. VDU කියන්නේ පුතේ visual display unit. Visual display unit. That is what we say VDU පුතේ. තේරුණාද? එතකොට monitor එකට VDU කියලා වගේම display කියලා කියනවා. And those are the speakers and the mouse, pen drive, a flash drive, and you have the hard disk drive inside the system unit, and you can plug your keyboard and the printer. Eventually, finally, you can connect your microphone with the system unit as well. Right, Pute? Those are known as peripheral devices. Right? Okay. ළමයි මට දන්න කෙනෙක් කියන්න CD කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? CD කියන එකේ extended word එක මොකක්ද? Yes, what is the extended word of the CD පුතේ?
Compact
disc.
පුතේ?
compact disc.
Compact disc. Are you sure? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Pute. Very good. CD stands for compact disc. So, ළමයි, what is CDR? What is CDR? What does mean by CDR? CDR means
Sir,
compact disc read only. All of you tell speedily, Pute, loudly. Pada? Kena Pute? Compact. Unmute and tell, Pute. Unmute and tell. Compact
Disc
disc
read only.
read only. Very good. Compact disc read only. Right, පුතේ ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට ඒ CD එක පුතේ කියවන්න විතරයි පුළුවන්. ඒකේ ස්ටෝර් කරලා තියෙන ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන්ස් ටික රීඩ් කරන්න විතරයි පුළුවන්. You can delete that, you can't update that, you can't copy that even. Only you can insert the CD and read its content. That's all. Okay, CDR කියලා කියන්නේ ඒකයි. And we have CDRW. CDRW means puthe compact disc read and write. Understood? Read and write. Then you can read its content and also you can modify its content as well. Are you clear? The versions of the CD, we have CD, CDR and CDRW. Right? Okay, I think not only the CD Puti, we have DVD. What DVD stands for? What is the extended word of the DVD?
digital versatile disc.
Digital versatile disc. Very good. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. So as same as in the CD Puti, there are two versions in the DVD, DVD-R and DVD-RW. DVD-RW. Digital versatile disc for read only. Digital versatile disc for read and write only. Okay. Those are the compact discs. Optical storage කියලා කියන්නේ ඒකයි. Optical disc කියන්නේ ඒකයි. තමයි optical disc වල පුතේ පිටිපස්ස බැලුවොත් you can see a rainbow. right? So, right, I think you have some experience from that, right? When you are in the primary schools, you may experience that Pute, right? You can see definitely a rainbow. So it has 7 different colors collaboration. Understood, right? Okay. So then Pute, this is the printer, okay, and the keyboard, okay. Those are Pute peripheral devices. Peripheral devices. Right. Hari Pute, now we can write a little sentence in blue color pen. Take your blue color pen, Pute. Right. Peripheral devices are all the external devices, all the external devices, all the external devices plugged with the computer, plugged with the computer, plugged with the computer for a dedicated purpose, plugged with the computer for a dedicated purpose, for a dedicated purpose. Right. එතනටම ලියන්න. It includes all input, comma, storage, all input, comma, storage, and output devices, right? Okay, Pute. Examples, Put in the next line, right? Next line in the middle, you can write example like this. බලන්න පුතේ හැම මේ ඡේද ලියලා පුතේ මෙතන මැද්දෙන් EG දාන්න. ඡේද අනිත් රූල් එක next line එකේ ඡේදෙ මැද්දෙන් රූල් එකේ middle එකේ EG දාන්න. First, number 1, keyboard, right? Number 1, keyboard. Number 2, right? Number 2, monitor, right? Number 3, microphone, speakers පුතේ. Number 4, speakers, etc. Right? හරි පුතේ. අපි ඔයාලට peripheral devices කියලා කියන්නේ. Input, storage, output නම include වෙන ඒවා. Right. හරි පුතේ. දැන් පුතේ මෙහෙම විශේෂ point එකක් දාගන්න ඕනේ. A special point like this. පුතේ කොටුවක් අදින්න පුතේ හැමෝම රතු පෑනේ. Take out your red pen and draw a rectangle. හරිය පුතේ. Right? Inside that, not beta කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ සැලකිය යුතුයි කියලා. සෑයු කියන්නේ. සෑයු කියන එක තමයි මේ not beta කියන්නේ. n.b not beta සැලකිය යුතුයි. Right? Touch screen, is both input and output device. Touch screen is both input and output device. Right. Correct. The touch screen is both input and both output. Right? You can input some commands and you can see what you did input putih. Okay putih. Harida? Right. Good. Next putih, you can write a big title, computer specifications. Computer specification. In this year, I'm so serious putih because of we have to complete our syllabus as soon as possible. Right? දැන් අපි ගිය අවුරුද්ද ලස්සනට සින්දුත් කිව්වනේ ළමයි. ජෝක් කරා සින්දු කිව්වා නැටුව සමහර අය. බට් පුතේ මේ අවුරුද්ද පොඩ්ඩක් අපි එක සින්දු කියමු. right ක්ලාස් එක අන්තිමට වගේ සින්දු කියමු පුතේ. අපි නමුත් අපි ඉක්මනටම සිලබස් එක කවර් කරලා පුතේ පාස් පේපර්ස් කරන්න ඕනේ. right and you have multi test as well. test තියෙනවා. that's why. okay right. Computer specification. ළමයි so when we are talking about the specification, right? Specifications කියන්නේ පුතේ ඇත්තටම features වගේ. For an example, දැන් මම උදාහරණයක් කිව්වොත් යාදේව්ගේ specifications කිව්වොත් පුතේ අර කියන්න පුළුවන් යාදේව් is a boy. නේද? දැක්ක ගමන් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් පළවෙනි specification එක මොකක්ද? පළවෙනි feature එක මොකක්ද? The gender. Whether Yadev is a girl or boy. You know, the Yadev is a boy. Right? And තව එකක් කියන්න පුළුවන්. He knows Tamil a lot and fluent. So he can speak Tamil fluently. නේ පුතේ. යාට දෙමළෙන් ලස්සනට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. තව feature එකක්. And he has eyes, right, legs, hands, a brain. Those are the Pute specifications. Are you clear now? Right? Specification is the parts of the kind of special features. Specification stands for special features. And special features. Right? So Pute, when you are going to purchase a computer, you should be concerned about the special features of the computer. The type of the RAM, the capacity of the RAM, right? And the speed of the CPU you purchase, the size of the computer, price of the computer, understood? Right? And the storage capacity, network interface card type, graphic card supplementations, ඔවට කියන්නේ පුතේ මොනවා කියලාද? Specifications කියලා. දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන් පොතක් මිලදී ගන්න නේද? When you are going to purchase a book from a shop පුතේ, you know You usually checks how many pages. ඒ පුතේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි check කරනවා pages කීයක පොතක්ද. ඒ වගේම photo rule ද එහෙම නැත්නම් single rule ද. ඒ පුතේ check කරනවා photo rule ද එහෙම නැත්නම් single rule ද. අපි ඔබට කියන්නේ පුතේ specifications කියලා. like price එක like that. So පුතේ in specifications we have two types of specification. Two types of specification. They are known as technical specifications and non-technical specifications. What are they පුතේ? Technical and non-technical. දැන් අපි computer එකක් ගත්තොත් එහෙම computer එකේ තියෙන technical specifications මොනවද? What are they? Technical, as I told you previously, we can take, yes, the capacity of your random access memory, the type of your processor, the memory capacity, right, and the availability of the SSD cards. Those can be taken. But when we are considering about the non-technical features, non-technical kind of things, we can say the warranty time. The warranty is technical, non-technical. Warranty එක දැන් අපේ computer එකට හම් වෙන warranty එක පුතේ technical එකක්ද? නෑ. ඒක non-technical එකක්. තාක්ෂණික නොවන දෙයක් නේ පුතේ. Technical කියන්නේ තාක්ෂණික දෙයක් කියන එක. Right? Related to the technology. But the warranty time period is not non-technical and the price is not non-technical. The shop name where you buy the device is not technical. That is also non-technical, right? The discount, which is also non-technical specification. And the brand name, type of the computer, also non-technical specification. Are you clear with it, everyone? Okay. So there are two types of specifications, technical and non-technical. Technical specifications are related to the technology and non-technical specifications are not related to the technology. Right? Okay, Pute. I will show you them actually in brief manner. Right. Okay. Anyways, Pute, let's write a little sentence underneath that. Okay, Pute. Before we are going to purchase, before we are going to purchase a computer, we should aware, AWARE පුතේ. We should aware about technical and non-technical, we should aware about technical and non-technical specifications of the computer, non-technical specifications of a computer, right, of a computer, right. හරි පුතේ. දැන් ළමයි ඔයගොල්ලන් table එකක් අඳගන්න පුතේ. So a table like this, which consists only two columns, right? Only two columns. In the first column, you can write technical specification. In the first column, technical specifications. In The second column, non-technical specification. Okay, Pute. Hurry up, Pute. All of you to the table. Technical specifications and non-technical specifications. Okay. Yadev, Pute, send me this screenshot of participant.
Yes, sir.
Send me the screenshot of participant list, Pute.
Okay, sir. Do I want to send now?
Pute, you can send me after the class.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, technical specification for that and memory capacity, right? Memory capacity. Next thing, right? Size of the monitor. Size of the monitor. Next, speed of the CPU. Likewise, right? And the RAM capacity. RAM type ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. RAM type. In non-technical specification, you can write warranty period, warranty period, second warranty period දෙක, or price, warranty period, price. Next one පුතේ, yes, type, brand එක, brand name, and the shop name, and the color, likewise. Those are පුතේ non-technical specification. Right, Pute? Right. Okay. Very good. හරි ළමයි හොඳයි. පුතේ හැමෝටම අද කරපු ටික පැහැදිලිව තේරුණාද? All of you clear about today's lesson, පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, පුතා, very good. Right, හරි. පුතේ අලුත් ළමයි ඔක්කොම raise hand කරන්න පුතේ. All of you raise hand if you are newcomer. හරි පුතේ. Okay. හරි පුතේ. දැන් මට කියන්න පුතේ අලුත් ළමයි ටික හැමෝම how is the class? Class එක කොහමද පුතේ? Good or bad? Yes. හරි පුතේ. Tell me quickly. Good.
Good, sir.
Others පුතේ? Yes. Swati? හවුද? Goodද? Badද? නැත්නම් වැඩක් නැද්ද? කොහොමද? හවුද? Yes. හවුද? හොඳයි නේද පුතේ? හරි. හැමෝම පුතේ පන්තියට හැමදාම එන්න. All of you should come to the class continuously. Right? Okay. මම මේ මාසේ පුතේ term test එක මාසික පරීක්ෂණය තියෙනවා. monthly test sticker, I will inform you that. So you should, first of all, we have to complete this lesson today, right? Then we have only few more pages to be completed. So then we will be complete that. So after that part today, I plan to cover the second lesson as well, right? Before the paper, right? Okay, Pute. So then we have to do so many work activities. ළම මම පොත group එකට දාන්න. සමහරක් කට්ටියට grade 9 book එක හම්බෙලා නැතුව ඇති. So I will put the grade 9 book into the group. Okay, Pute? Right? So there are two exercises book, activity book, working book and the textbook. I will put both of them today, right? Okay. Hope you enjoyed the class a lot, right? Only for today, we have to bind up the session right now. So Pute, we will be met again on the next day, Thursday at 6 p.m. So keep your cameras ready. Don't tell once again the camera was broken, anything. Right? You have to be alive with me as a physical class. Therefore, Pute, if you have any kind of reason, turn off the camera, please let me know. The chat box is also welcome to message with me and to discuss your problems in the session, during the session, according to the materials of studies, right? So then today, hope you have beautiful journey, right, from today in ICT, not only in ICT, in any kind of other subjects as well. So I wish you all the very best for your career, Pute. So keep doing all of your activities separately and dedicatedly. Then you can achieve your goals without any doubts, without any kind of difficulties. So then God bless you, Pute. Right? First day, පළමු දවස මෙසේ නිමා විය. හරි පුතේ. හැමෝටම එහෙනම් අයිබෝවන්. God bless you, Pute. Good night.
God bless you, sir. Good night.
God bless you.
Hari Pute. Good night. God bless you. Right.
Good
Okay.
night,
Pute.
sir.
Hari Pute. Good night.